बैक टू बिजनेस में आपका स्वागत है। पिछला साल आसान नहीं रहा और हम पैंडेमिक से अभी उभर रहे हैं। We need to support each other in building back our business. अब हमें अपने मार्केटिंग एफर्ट्स को और अधिक बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, जिससे कि हम अपने पुराने कस्टमर को साथ रख सकें और नए कस्टमर को साथ जोड़ सकें। Partnering with the Times of India will ensure faster recovery and growth for your business. With the Times Group Back to Business, we are able to help you gain back lost time, make informed decisions, and drive results for your business. हम आपके टारगेट कंज्यूमर तक प्रभावी रूप से पहुंचने के लिए आपको कस्टमाइज्ड एडवर्टाइजिंग सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड करेंगे। आपके बिजनेस और मार्केटिंग गोल्स को समझकर आपको ऐसे सॉल्यूशंस देंगे दैट आर फास्ट एंड इफेक्टिव। Back to Business is all about helping you reach and re-engage with your customers using our publications. We are India's go-to source of news and information. क्या आप ये जानते हैं? The Times Group publication caters to 23 million affluent Indians. We are India's largest selling English daily with a circulation of 4.2 million. We reach 37% of India's literate population. 68% of readers belong to NCCSA. हमारे लीडिंग पब्लिकेशंस के मार्केटिंग टूल्स आपके कैंपेन को इफेक्टिव बनाते हैं। So no matter who your target audience is, the Times Group has the platform to suit your business needs. I'm sure by now you are keen to find out more about the incredible packages available for you exclusively during this event. हमने इसे बहुत सिंपल बना दिया है। Back to Business can provide you with customized advertising packages that will allow you to promote your product or service across the Times of India publications. इसके अलावा हमारे नए flexible solutions के साथ you can launch a campaign with greater confidence and focus on achieving results while keeping a tab on your spending. Our Back to Business packages will boost your brand quickly and effectively, providing you with a range of advertising options and a strong return on investment. ये पैकेज 3 और 6 महीने के लिए हैं और फेस्टिव सीजन्स के दौरान भी इनका इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है। Our Jump Starter packages are valid for 3 months. This package is perfect if you want to remind customers that you are open for business or if you want to advertise for a sale or event once a year. These are short-term, high-impact packages. The Retail Booster package is for 6 months. Use this package to advertise to customers over 6 months or if you have multiple sales, retail events in a year. Use this package to advise customers of your upcoming events, product launches, and increase your brand's exposure and drive sales at various periods. Since you have an overview of what's on offer, अब समय है नए customers को engage करने का and to maximize your reach through our massive audience base. लेकिन याद रखें, ये packages केवल इस week के लिए ही offer किए जा रहे हैं. So partner with us to get your business back up and running. Just to recap, your Back to Business solution will include multiple options of advertising packages to help you reach thousands of new customers, huge savings from the rate card, monthly installments to assist your cash flow, ads produced by the Times Group, and of course, you will have a dedicated account manager to advise you on all aspects of your campaign. To show you that the Times Group is committed to helping businesses like yours get back to business, we are giving you a special incentive to sign up now. Times are challenging, but we are here to help you reach your customers fast. Your media advisor will now work with you to uncover your needs, help craft a results-based plan that will begin delivering on your business goals. Strong working partnership के साथ टाइम्स ग्रुप परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। थैंक यू।